Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am wearing a top, although it looks like I'm not. Me and Mum are going to a Bootsale this morning. It is the 10th of September. It's really hot today, so we're going to take a little mooch around the Bootsale. What did I just say I want? Oh, if there's stuff for my Halloween costume, I'd quite like a bow and arrow for my Cupid costume. But I also just thought, none of my plants have got like the little dishes to go underneath it. I'd like some plant pots with some dishes underneath, because my plants keep on growing and I have to put them, like separate them. You know what I mean? My plants are getting big, they're growing new plants. I have to then put the new plants in new plant pots, and I don't have any nice ones. So if there's any of them in the Bootsale, that'd be great. Mum, are you looking for anything at the Bootsale? PJ Masks stuff for one of the Child Money Kids' birthdays. I've got my wee bothy tote today with my little fan inside, and I've got some cash. I'm wearing a top from Vintage, trousers from a Lanzarote Bootsale, Crocs Vintage, and yeah, let's go to the Chelmsford Bootsale, my favourite. We are here. We are at the Sand and Park and Ride Sunday Bootsale. Beautiful time to go to Bootsale. 10 AM, gorgeous. £1 each. 10 AM. If you want to come before at 9 AM, it's £3, and then after I think 11, it's 3, as in free, not 3. But obviously by then some people might be packing up. But let's go see what goodies we can find. Very funky dress. We're looking for PJ Masks stuff. I'm trying not to buy clothes today. I think it really draws me in. I'm looking at clothes, you know, but in general, no, I don't need clothes. We just got some Australian Women's Weekly books, my dad's favourite, if you've watched the vlogs, so that's good. Yep, still looking for PJ Masks. Oh my gosh, look at all the Guardian stuff. Thor. I hope this kid gets into my niece, this is, I hope she gets into Marvel, because I want to play Marvel with her. I know people have really good luck with finding Harley stuff at Bootsales. I've never had that luck, but you know, you never know. You never know. That is funky, but don't really have a need for another shirt. All tripods, very convenient. This yellow is intriguing to me. Is it a dress? Oh, size 10. It's going to be too small. Cuddly Sven. Oh, pitchfork. For 20 pence. Not meant to be buying clothes. Unless I find a suit. I did a swimwear reel yesterday, so don't think I need any more swimwear, but this set looks cute. But I'm sure it will be too small. 14? Oh, it's just bottoms, there's no tops. Same my vlog. I never found anything Harley Davidson in the Bootsale. Not gonna be too small. It's cool though, from the back. A little back graphic, but nothing crazy. Okay, I did pick up that Harley top. It was a £5, which is, if you know Harley pricing, it's like crazy. He said, if you'd been here an hour ago, I had this whole thing which was full of Harley stuff, which is heartbreaking, so we're selling it off that cheap. Anyway, it was a large though, so I don't think I want to buy too much because it was a bit small. But he let me try it on and it was fine. I might end up cropping it, just so it fits a bit nicer. But yeah, such a good find. This dress is pretty. This is really nice. I'm not sure if I'm a collar person though, but it is nice. Love this little egg dish. So cool. Only had a house. Absolutely classy. Indeed. A giant ice cream. What's the weirdest item you guys have ever found in a Bootsale? I can't actually think. I've seen a lot of weird stuff at the Bootsale. The giant ice cream is kind of weird. Dishes are. They're so cute. impatient to get another plant is real. I don't have plant pots. What have you found? Ah.
Was it you that didn't know what stickle bricks were?
Yeah. They're fun, I like them. That's what Israel had.
Yeah. That's like, I said to you, didn't I?
Yeah, they are fun.
Well, you had some.
I love a marble run. A marble run is a classic. It reminds me of when wet play at school. You'd always play marble run. That's so cute. No, I love the print on that. I really love the print on this. But I think that's cute as well, actually.
I like the print of that one.
And that's fun. So vintage bags and belts. Gosh, so much stuff. I didn't have the energy in this heat to look through such a amount of clothes. I have energy for an ice cream though, to be fair. That's more where my heat levels are at right now. Good wooden toys. Oh my gosh, yeah. Found Catboy and Gecko, 10p each. They're PJ Masks characters, if you're not up to date on your PJ Masks knowledge. It is getting hot now. There's loads of tripods. If you're looking for a tripod, guys, go to a Bootsale. Mum's just found, a mother load of PJ Masks. Oh my gosh, yeah. So I just asked the guy, instead of working out which bits we wanted to buy, I was like, how much would it be for all of it? He gave us all 15 quid, which is a lot cheaper than it would have been if he had it up separately. So sometimes just ask for a deal. In a polite way and not a rude way. But yeah, bargain. Got all the PJ Masks stuff now. We're set. Now just find me some plant pots and all the rest of stuff on my list, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna get, but I like them soup bowls. They're nice, very 70s. Going on for like 2 minutes. Maybe even longer than that. Stop the road. Stop the whole road. Just stop all these motorbikes, let's keep on coming. This is so random. Just keep on coming. They're fully like stop the road down there. It is some sort of parade. Here are the Paw Patrol things. So we've got, I'll get them all out and show you, but he had these ones in bags, which have got like clusters of characters and stuff in. And they were like marked up £2 to £3 each per little sandwich bag, just full of characters. And then we've got Owlet's car, a couple of Owlet cars. That's like a group Owlet car, or plane, I don't know. A Catboy car, another Catboy car, and then a Gecko car. So all of this for £15. I'll see if I can work out kind of how much the value of this would be, but I reckon probably over £100 if you were to buy this new. So great one if you've got like little kids, stocking fillers, you know, Christmas present ideas, if your kid's like suddenly into a new thing. So good. Let's open it up and see what we've got in all of them. So just talking about these are like weird finger puppet ones. I'm not quite sure what they are, but they've got the whole gang of them. Got loads of Catboy. We've got some extra little ones. We've got a Night Ninja. We've got a Catboy pre and post transformation, and same with Gecko and Owlet. We've got an extra Catboy. Oh, is that the Night Ninja? Whose van is that? Is it his van? Don't know. Someone's van. We've got a Christmas tree with loads of Christmas presents. We've got a Romeo in his van. We've got some small geckos. Oh, I reckon this is well over £100 worth of stuff, which is bonkers that toys cost this much, but still. And this that makes the noise.
So we don't know what else it does, but
it sings the PJ Masks theme tune. Copyright. So, you've seen the PJ Masks things. Honestly, if you have like a child in your life and you need to buy Christmas presents, like, the fact how people will buy them new when there's so many toys, that whenever you go to a boot sale, it's normally like 50% toys, and like there's so many, like any character you're into, like you'll be able to find it in the boot sale. Don't go and buy it new because it's so much plastic and there's so much already out there. But actually no, I only brought one thing, but I thought I'd show you it anyway. I thought I'd try it on for you, and I actually want to see what it looks like on. So as you guys know, I love my Harley tops, and this is like a long sleeve Harley top. It's actually from the old Lakeside shops. Anyone remember that at Lakeside? Kind of down by IKEA. It's really cute. I like it. It'll look nice with some jeans, styled up in the winter. However, right now, as I said, it's hot. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute, and this was a £5. He said I had so much stuff on my store, and I was like, oh, that's heartbreaking. But I'm really glad that I got this. And to be fair, like, If it was all in a size large, I probably wouldn't have brought too much. This I don't mind so much being slightly tighter, as it is like just a different style, but I am going to try it on for you now. So obviously right now it is not the season for it. Excuse the stain on my trousers. I got pesto on them and I made lunch. But I'm imagining this. I might even crop it and have it as cropped, or like tuck it in. But I actually think it looks quite nice, the shape of it. Like it's not like too oversized, but it isn't like skin tight. And it doesn't feel claustrophobic, which is how I often feel in like long sleeve tops. Obviously, again, not the right season for it now, but when it comes to kind of autumn, winter, even like when it gets slightly cooler, I could just wear this with jeans and it'd be warm enough to keep me warm. I love the details down the sleeves. And I'm honestly just so happy I found Harley Davidson in the Bootsale, because I was literally complaining that I never do. And then here we are. I think it's really cool. It's like distressed, but I actually think it probably came like this. I don't think this is distressed. Like, I don't think this has happened. I think this is how it's meant to look, if that makes sense. That is it for today's video. Thanks for coming to the Bootsale with me. I am sad that Bootsale season is nearly over. However, I think the one that we go to in Chelsea is actually an all-year-round one, so it might not be over. But yeah, I'm very happy with my Harley top. Feel like this is a really good find, and I'm excited to start up kind of autumn, winter. I'm so ready for autumn. I am so hot and I just hate this weather. Like, I just can't get comfortable. Like, I've been sweaty all day, and I know you don't need to know that, but I have been. And I think right now I'm gonna lay in front of my fan with my curtain shut and just try and get as cool as possible. But thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what the strangest thing you found in a Bootsale is, or your best find from a Bootsale. I think my best find from a Bootsale is probably my vintage leather trench coat, or the disco ball that is up there. Not sure if you were able to see that then, but I got a giant disco ball from a Bootsale for like £2, and I love that. And the joy it gives me every night is insane. But that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, everybody.